Hey everybody, it's Tony. I'm here helping you identify perennials. This particular perennial is a sedum. Sedum comes in several different varieties. This one is a mounding one. It gets like a broccoli looking head on it that turns red later in the fall. This is what it looks like right now in the spring. This is a poppy. Poppies have leaves that almost look like they have prickers or nettles or something on them. They get a variety of different colors. They get maybe 4 foot tall. I don't have any in blossom right now, but I will show you some when I do get those. This is a lupine. Lupines come in a variety of colors. They get maybe 3 foot tall. They get like a cone-shaped flower almost on the top of them. It looks almost like a pine cone. Come in a bunch of different colors. This is what the bud looks like before it starts to bloom. If you can see that, it's green right now. When it gets bigger, it'll get taller and then it'll flower out into a different color flower. Some of them are purple, some of them are pink. It depends on which ones you planted. I have a little bit of everything. This is an azalea. Azaleas are spring blooming flower. This is the flower portion. Trying to show you a picture of the leaf. The leaves are, they start out slender, get wider, and then slim down at the end and come to a point. They are a woody bush type perennial. They come in a variety of colors. If you can see while I'm walking around, I cover all of my flower beds in wood chips because it helps keep the moisture in, and it also helps keep the weeds out. This is a columbine. Columbine come in a couple different varieties. This one is a shorter variety. This one only gets maybe 4 inches, 5 inches tall. This one gets a blue flower. And I'm trying to show you what the flower looks like. That's what the flower looks like. They come in a variety of colors. They also come in different sizes. I have another variety that gets taller and gets like a pinky reddish color flower on it. They're all perennials. Everything I'm showing you is perennials. This is called nemesia. It's also called dead nettle. It's also called white Nancy because it has little white tiny flowers on it. If you can see those. And this is what the leaves look like. It is a perennial. It grows low to the ground. It's a ground cover. Will spread. I hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to my page. I'm hoping this helps everyone out so they're not pulling their perennials out when they're weeding. Thank you and have a nice day.